व्हाट्स अप गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई एम बैक अगेन विथ माय अनदर एनालिसिस वीडियो। तो भैया इस वीडियो में मैं देने जा रहा हूँ पूरा रिव्यू टोयोटा ग्लैंजा का। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें, अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दें। हमें फेसबुक इंस्टा ट्विटर पेजेस पे जाके मुझे फॉलो करना ना भूलें, लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें। This is the Toyota Glanza and I am going to give you the full review of Toyota Glanza in this video. So let's start our video. I will talk to you about the exterior work first. So let's talk about the exterior. The front of this car, as you can see here, the grille of this car. This is the 3D chrome isolated grille. Comes with a Toyota badging. As you can see, the grille, the chrome plating on the grille make this car more luxurious. And as you can see, the whole grille comes with a chrome plating that's make this car more luxurious. And if we talk about the headlamps are also quite good. These are the LED headlamps, comes with a DRL work. As you can see, the DRL, let's zoom in. This is the DRL. As you can see here, the fog lamp is given. The fog lamp, as you can see, the fog lamps. And if we talk about the bumper is also quite fantastic. Toyota have given this the bumper sporty look. As you can see, a sports look has been given to the bumper. And if we talk about the front mirror is also quite fantastic. These are the UV protected front mirror. As you can see, the UV protected front mirrors are also so good. And if we talk about the whole front look, the front look is also so good. As you can see, the front look is also quite good. And if we talk about the sides, let's talk about the exterior side. And these are the R195 by 55 R16 alloy wheels, as you can see. But the diamond cut alloy wheels with a black shade that makes this car more luxurious. And the tires are so fantastic. As you can see, 195 by 55 R16 tire comes with a Toyota badging. Here also Toyota badging is given, and the side is also also quite good. And if we talk about this is the electric ORVM, outside rear view mirror, electric ORVM. And if we talk about the side is also so big. As you can see, the side is also so big. Here you will get a chrome strip, as you can see, on the door, the window, and above the door you will get a chrome strip. And here you will get here you will get a door with a chrome plating and an open sensor. You can enter inside the car without using a key. A keyless entry is available in the car. As you can see, the door has been open sensor is also available in this car. So the car is all the way very good. As you can see, the whole work done on this car is also so fantastic. So let's close this door. So let's talk about the rear of this car. So if we talk about the rear work is also so fantastic. As you can see, here the roof spoiler, here the antenna is given, and here the roof spoiler, as you can see. And this is the wiper with a washer too, as you can see. And here the chrome plating is available, comes with a rear parking camera. As you can see, here the Toyota badging, here the Glanza badging is given, and here the variant badging is given. And if you talk about the tail lamps are quite fantastic, comes with a fog lamp. And here you will get a parking sensor, again a parking sensor, and there also a parking sensor. So this is the rear of the Toyota Glanza. As you can see, the rear is also quite fantastic. And if we talk about the car is all the way very good, and this chrome work make this car more luxurious. And so let's talk about the performance of this car. The performance is also quite good. This is the V manual variant. So this car will generate about 21.01 kmpl of mileage. And if we talk about the engine displacement of this car, the engine displacement is about 1197 cc of engine. And the fuel type of this car is petrol. And if we talk about the maximum power, power this car will generate is 89 bhp of horsepower. And the least power this car will generate is 82 bhp. And if we talk about the maximum torque, 113 nm of torque this car will generate. As you can see, the car is all the way very fantastic. Fuel efficiency I have already told, so I have talked about the petrol. I have talked about the performance of this car. The performance is also so good, the mileage is also all the way very good. So let's get in, to talk about the interior of this car. So let's talk about the interior of this car. So again, here you will get a door with a chrome plating, and then keyless entry is available in this car. So as you can see, the door is quite light. And if we talk about the door is also so fantastic. Here you will get everything. Here you will get a button for the window controllers are given here. You can use this for open the door. Here you will get a speaker, and here a lots of space has been given. Here you can keep a lots of space has been given here. Here you can keep your water bottle. Here you can keep your magazine and whatever you want to keep. And also this using this button, driver side auto window is available. As you can see here, you need to just push this, the window will get open. And but for all the other 3 seats, you need to keep on pushing to open the window. So let's get inside the car without wasting any time. First of all, I want to tell you something, that here you will get a height adjustable for the driver seat. You can adjust the height of the driver seat. Here, from here you can adjust the seat. So let's get inside and talk about the features of the car. I will get to the rear seat also. So let's get inside the car. The car is quite comfortable. Here the door has been keep open, so you will get a door open sensor too, that will warn you that any of the door has been kept open, so you can close the door. Here you will get a start stop button. As you can see, AC vent is given here, and here the headlamps control are given here. Here the wiper control has been given. The steering is also quite good. The leather, only for the top variant you will get a steering covered with leather, as you can see. And you can adjust the steering also. Let's adjust the steering. SRS steering wheel, as you can adjust the steering wheel. As you can see, you can adjust the steering wheel. This is the telescopic steering wheel. You can adjust this steering wheel according to yourself. Here you will get a SRS airbag, the volume control, and everything. Every control has been given here. And here collar option has been also given here. Here you will get a Toyota badging. The steering is quite fantastic. The chrome work, a little bit chrome work, make this steering more luxurious. And the leather steering wheel I have already told you about. And the cluster, as you can see here, the cluster is given. Lots of control for the cluster has been given here. You will get a speedometer, and the tachometer is also given here, and many features are given here. You will get to know about the mileage, average distance, and many things has been given here. The top speed, and the car will tell you about the speed at which you need to drive your car, the fuel efficiency of your car, and many things will be displayed on this cluster. And if you talk about the whole work is so fantastic. And here the gearbox, the manual gearbox is given here. The 5-speed empty gearbox is here. The gearbox is also quite good. As you can see, the gearbox is also quite good. And here the handbrake is given, and you can keep your phone here. As you can see, you can keep your phone here also. And here you will get a front armrest. As you can see, you will get a front armrest. You can also keep whatever you want to keep here. Lots of boot space is given here, not a boot space. So here you will get a glove box too. As you can see here, the glove box is also quite fantastic. You can put whatever you want to put. And the dashboard is also quite simple. As you can see, the dashboard is also good. And if we talk about this is the infotainment touch screen. As you can see, infotainment touch screen, which is also so good. And this touch screen will have Apple CarPlay, Android Play, and many more features are available in this car, like media, radio, FM, and the FM, DFM. Many features are available in this car. You will get a navigation, but directly you will not get a navigation feature. But if you have connected your phone with your the touch screen with your the car with your phone, then only you will get a navigation feature. So the car is all the way very good. Here you will get a AC vent. Again, here you will get a AC vent, and the a good amount, decent amount of space is also given here. You can keep your phone, and whatever you want to keep here. And you will get a aux cable here, USB cable also here. You can also keep your phone here. The charging socket is also available in this car. So the car is all the way very good. Here lots of space has been given. Here you can also put some stuff here, as you can see, but it will fall down, as you can see, also because these are not covered. So the car is all the way very good. So let's talk about this. Here you will get a mirror with a light too. As you can see, a light is also given with a mirror. So let's close this. Here you will get a light control. As you can see, here the light is given. So close this. Here you will get again the same thing. Here you will also get a mirror with a light, and also here you will get a holder too. And if we talk about the we will later talk about the safety. So let's talk about this. Here the modes are available. Auto mode and off are available here. And also the feature inside this car is also so good. So let's talk about the comfort features. Now that I have talked about the interiors, now comes to the comfort. So the first thing strikes in the mind is the feature that auto AC is available in this car. Auto AC is also available in this car. Also you can adjust the seat height of the seat, and you can adjust the seat according to yourself. These are the also comfort features. And also you will get a armrest here. This is also a comfort feature. Auto AC is available in this car, which is also a good feature. If we talk about more comfort feature and convenience feature, auto AC, I have already told you. Auto AC is also available. The start stop button is also available, and also the keyless entry is also available in this car, and this is also a good feature. So let's get to the rear seat, so that I will tell you about more features. And if we talk about this, these are dual tone fabric seats available in this car. So the seats is also quite comfortable. As you can see, the work done on this car, the seats, these seats are also so comfortable. So let's get to the rear seats. The door is also so light. So let's open this. And so let's talk about this. Lots of leg room, and the decent amount of headroom is also given here. You will get a headrest here, again a headrest here, but you will not get a middle headrest. And these are the 60-40 split seats are also available in this car. You can fold about 40% of seats and about 60% of seats, and you can also fold 100% of seats. So this is also a good comfort feature. And you can also in this comfort feature we can talk about the smart entry inside the car, and the ORVM is also a good feature. So let's open the boot space. And boot space also comes as you can see, this is quite good, as you can see. And here you will get lots of boot space to keep your luggage. About 339 liter of boot space is available in this car. So the boot space is quite good. As you can see, the whole car is so fantastic, and the work done on this car is so good. So the car is all the way very good, and many things are available in this car. Lots of features are available in this car. The interior is also so good, and the exterior is also so fantastic. Now let's talk about the safety of this car. What you will get inside the car is the airbag. You will get a driver and passenger airbag. This is also a safety measure, and you will get a door open warning that your door has been kept open. This is also important, and this is also a safety feature because any of the door has been kept open, so you will be warned. And talk about more safety features. The safety features are also so good. So guys, other safety features available in this car is that this car comes with an ABS, EB plus, EBD and BA. ABS anti-lock braking system, and EBD electronically brakes distribution, and EBD, yeah, brakes distribution, and BA, brake assist, is also available in this car. And if we talk about the body work of this car, the body work is tacked body work has been given here, which is also so powerful. The tacked body work has been given here. And also the Toyota Trust. If we talk about the Toyota Trust, main thing that you will get in the car is the Toyota work. As you can see, the Toyota resolution is that the Toyota believes that they made their car they may build their car with three things. QDR, yeah, means quality, durability, and also reliability. So these three features will help you in your car. And yeah guys, as you can see, the quality of the Toyota cars are also so fantastic. The Innova and many of the cars are so good, Fortuner. And if we talk about the durability, the engine durability and reliability is also so fantastic, and the whole work is also so fantastic. And you will get a fog lamp. Fog lamp is also a safety measure because it will protect your car. The rear defogger, and what is the rear defogger I will tell you. And rear wiper, washer, sensor, rear camera, power window type, warning lamps, and speed sensitive door locks are also available in the car, which is also so good. So if we talk about the rear defogger, I will show you the defoggers. So these are the rear defogger. As you can see, these are the rear defogger. Here the wiper with a washer too. So these are the rear defogger. Also this is a major protection safety measure of this car. So the car is all the way very good. As you can see, the whole work, and the ORVM will also protect your car. The safety measures are so good, and many features are available in terms of safety. And also the car is all the way very good, and Toyota have done their lots of work, and there lots of badging on the car. As you can see here, the Toyota badging again on the steering, on the front and the rear. So the car is all the way very good. Guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Insta, Twitter and my Facebook pages. The link of all the pages has been given in the description. So that's it for today. Goodbye.